For 2 years, people have been asking me, Cotton, when is Butterfly Effect 2 going to be finished? Cotton, when's the next course coming? Cotton, do you have any more material coming up? Is this all we've seen from Cotton Candy TA? Is he taught it all? Is he a wash? For 2 years, people have been asking me about new material and when I'm going to release it. And guess what? Surprise, I've been actually secretly recording material for the past 2 years while everybody's been asking to do a massive dump of content. Oh, Mike got in the way there. You want to fight, Mike? Okay,
It's fight noise, dude.
People, for 2 years, I've been recording this stuff behind the scenes secretly to do a massive dump of content one day. And the day is finally here. That day has come where you guys are going to see 70 new Cotton Candy TA lessons. Stuff that's going to completely reshape the day trading industry. Stuff that's going to completely change the way you guys and girls out there see the charts and how crazy this material is going to rock the trading world. I've released it all on chartraters.com, software that I've been working on for the past 2 years, side by side while recording all this content. And today we're going to go take a look at it. We're going to go take a look at the skill tree. We're going to take a look at a few new lessons, and we're going to talk about how you can access them. They're all free for everybody. So no worries there. Chartraters is a kind of a free experience with different ways you can earn it. You can either grind for it or pay for cases, etc. But let's just go take a look at the skill tree, some of these lessons, and we'll come back and get into it. So this is the skill tree. You can access it on chartraters.com. Click the skill tree button up at the top, and that's it. Bang, you're here. Now, before I jump into a few previews of some of the new material, which I'm sure everybody's dying to see, I just want to talk about how you can interact with the skill tree, the way that you can use it, and how you can get unlocks. So you just kind of go on Chartraters, create a new account, and you're going to get 15 points. Now, those 15 points you can use anywhere. You can go up this skill path here. You can go down this skill path here or this here. It's kind of like Diablo or Path of Exile, if you would. And you get 15 points to start with. Now, when you run out of points, there's different ways you can earn them, and we'll talk about that in a few minutes. But just to go through the skill tree, I really like this, and this is why I developed it, because day trading is extremely tough, and it is a very hard thing to go and find good quality education, material. And one of the problems I have with YouTube, even my own channel, is there's no way to kind of track your progress. You can just basically see if a video has been watched or not watched, and that's it. And you don't really know, hey, am I missing something? Is there more to this? What about new lessons? Did I skip over important things? Did I miss something? There's just so many problems with YouTube and learning something off YouTube. Like, it's a great place to learn a skill that takes maybe a couple hours, but not something as elaborate and broad as day trading. So this is great because it's a map of your progress as you go through these lessons and click. First off, you can go and scope out the entire skill tree. If you want to see what this node is up here, you're going to be able to see exactly what it is up here with a description. It's going to show you how much of your skill tree you're completed here and what kind of margin is recommended. Now, this is just telling you what margin is recommended based on your progression on the skill tree. So don't pay too much attention to this. It's just kind of a nice thing to have to say, like, oh, you know, I need to be careful. It's more of a warning. Like, brand new traders come on this, they have 15 points, they spend 15 points, they're still going to be at 1x trading. So it's just a really good way to help people understand, like, hey, don't jump ahead of yourself. Don't start going and trading this crazy leverage just because you see Cotton or Cotton students do it. It's just really important to know that, like, hey, look, you got to take things slow, chill out, and you've got a map now that shows you your exact progress, where you need to be, and what you need to study next. So I have over 70 new lessons on here. Let's take a look at a few. Let's go and do some ones that we haven't seen yet. Range switching. What else do we got? Origin theory. Oh, that's such a good one. Following the rules. That's procedural analysis. Ooh, +1, -1 is polarity. Well, these are spicy. Oh, these are some pretty good lessons. Okay, let's just go and check out range switching here. And what you're going to do here, before I jump ahead, you can see how much unlocks you have right here. You can see it right there. I have 303. I'm the creator of it after all, so I should have as many unlocks as I want. If I want 1,000, I'm going to have 1,000. Let's go. You launch the lesson, you click play, and you're going to see stuff you've never seen before.
Range trend to 3. So that could possibly be like the creation of a range trend. But yeah, again, if you had
do a nice little spicy preview here.
No pictures, and somebody asked you to explain it just verbally, this is what you would do. You would say that the tips and the tips being the top or the bottom side, when you have them, those are your base and reach points for trends, and those are your actual starting of ranges. The start of the second range is here. We thought it was here, but now it's here. And interestingly enough, with ranges, when they do this, often what happens is you have an origin created. So this is going to be faster. Is that, hey, we're
just gonna kind of skim through. We're not gonna watch a full lesson. If you guys want to watch this, you go on the skill tree, you watch it. If you feel cheated because I skipped ahead, well, too bad. That's a your problem. So yeah, you can just go on the skill tree and just go watch it yourself.
Floating levels and untested. That's test. Just reestablished your number one, right?
Range switching is crazy stuff.
So if it doesn't hold it down, you're moving up. Drawing how
let's mark this complete. Let's go do one more little preview. Hit mark complete. Oh, congratulations, Cotton. You completed a lesson. Thanks, Cotton. Anyways, moving on. That was awkward and weird. Origin theory. This is another new one here. Let's just go and check it out. Oh, see, I just spent that
Easy
unlock. I only
trading.
have
We always
302
look-
left now. Let's
It's
move
this
forward here.
one, and you've got maybe
This is origin theory here.
you could use exactly this candlestick fourth, because we already found that a little in your 5, and then
Well, we're not learning
Just
anything.
breaks
We're
it down.
literally
We're just
skimming through this lesson
completely
quickly
shoots
so
in the
everybody can
direction.
just see.
Again, because finding this 4-hour allows you to find what polarizes that break level, which is the trend,
yes.
right? It allows you to draw that range trend. And then it would have been, you know, very similar on the bottom here to here, something like this, right? You have same thing, your 4-hour. And things
Oh,
like that.
I don't want to give
I think
too
it's
much of this
fine.
lesson away. This is a good one. Okay, that's
it's gonna
talking
take
about,
a
yeah,
little too
yeah.
long.
This is talking about origin theory and the polarity on range trends. Oh, that's a juice. Yeah. That's a really good lesson. That's one of my favorites actually. So you can see that the skill tree has like, it just from the little couple snapshots, insane amounts of knowledge. There is 70 new lessons, and I'm just going to show you how you can access them, right? Okay, so you can go to the shop page. Now you can go on Chart Raiders, and we have different tasks you can complete to earn cases for free. So you can either grind and earn it all for free, or you can just skip the grind if you don't want to grind, and you can just pay for it, because you have to have both sides of your audience satisfied. You have to be able to allow people who want to just pay for the material to say, look, I just want to pay for it. Purchase crates, say la vie. I don't want to waste my time grinding this stuff and earning it. And for those who don't want to pay for it, you could just grind it on Chart Raiders and do different tasks to earn the crates for free. So you just have to kind of suffice to both audiences. So we have all options. Like you can go to the shop page, you can buy cases and crates, and just some things to keep in mind. We have this. We have Chart Doctor, which is an interactive quiz game. We have an exchange that we're building. Yeah, you heard that right. We have a day trading exchange that we're building where we're gamifying it, and you can earn items that increase your trading experience. Something like, hey, if you get half the price of your next fees on your next trade because you have this cool item on your account, stuff like that. I'm not going to get too much into it, but we are going to have items in the game that greatly affect your trading experience and help and aid you on the exchange side of things. So these crates, they have a whole plethora of different items in them. You can see here, they have everything from skill tree unlocks. So you can't actually see it because my camera's in the way. So let's just kind of hide the camera for a second here. So you have skill tree unlocks you can get. You have different borders for your profile, backgrounds, different avatars, orange item here, which is legendary, which is those juicy exchange items that I just told you about. And yeah, you can basically just buy cases and you go and unlock them. And we can go unlock a few cases. Yeah, we can go do that. Let's go to our account panel. You have a whole different set of customization stuff you have here. You can see I have 17 carbon crates and 36 steampunk crates. So this is all live right now on chartraiders.com. And you have different stuff in your inventory here, and you can customize your profile, you know, whether you have items you want to use or, you know, different backgrounds that you want to equip. Yeah, let's equip that one. That's fine. It's equipped. Let's get out of here. Let's go back. Let's just open a few cases. Let's just do that. Let's just go open a few cases here. Oh, look at that. I just found one raid F. Raid F is a raid fragment. It's what you use to unlock skill tree points. You can also use it to purchase other things like more cases, et cetera, et cetera. Because if you have the full skill tree unlocked and you had more raid F in your account, raid fragments, well, what would you do with them? Well, we allow you to spend them in different ways as well. So let's just open a few more cases here. Oh, this one had 2 raid fragments. Now, it's a beta product, so chill out if it showed up before the case opened. It's still a beta product, so we got a few little kinks we're working out, but they're very small and minor visual errors. Come on, something good. Nah, more raid F. I got infinite raid F, dude. I created this thing. I want to open up like an orange or something cool. Another raid F. That's okay. I just got 2 raid F. I believe I had 301 skill tree points. So if I go back to the skill tree now, I should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. So I should have 306, I believe. 306, dude, my math is good. I still got it. I'm not too old yet. My brain still works. Okay, good. 306. And that's the skill tree. It is something I've been working on with the team for 2 years now as a part of Chart Raiders and everything we're trying to do to redefine this space in day trading and create day trading 2.0. And like I said, there's 70, that's right, 70 new lessons that I've been recording for the past 2 years. And the few people who have seen them, it has completely changed the way they are trading. It has redefined everything they thought they knew about technical analysis, and it has completely redefined it into a new era of day trading. Day trading 2.0 is something that I'm creating with the 15 people that I have on salary who I've hired to help me design Chart Raiders and to help me work and create it and code it and all that stuff and test it and everything. So over 2 years, we've been working on Chart Raiders now, and there's a whole team of us. It's fantastic and I love it. And Chart Raiders will 100% change the industry. And it all starts with a skill tree and really training and equipping people to get ready for not only Chart Raiders, but day trading, what it looks like in the future, because day trading is getting harder. People are getting smarter. It's getting more aggressive, but they still don't have the secret weapon of my science, which is I have have to say it, it's just been getting better and better and better. And as much knowledge as people think they have from my old material, which is a lot, by the way, imagine what 70 more lessons that are beyond butterfly effect 2, that are purely technical analysis, new theories, everything from range switching to trend allowance, polarity, +1, -1, bridges, switches, application and theory layers, origin polarity, automatics, decision-based levels. What else do we have here? You know, bigger things on full circle range trends, reverse levels, -1 is a theory, how to engineer a move. Like there's just controllers is another one, advanced controllers and controllers. There is just so much knowledge on that skill tree that it is alarming that the people, it's crazy. The people who have seen it, like I said, the people who have seen it, they have completely changed the way they traded. So I would just recommend everybody check it out. And again, it's free, chartraiders.com. So check it out. Let me know what you think, and get ready for the rest of Chart Raiders to come out, because all year long we're releasing different products on Chart Raiders. So go check it out, chartraiders.com.